Guys, what's for lunch? Well, sometimes you're a little tired, you've worked late, you don't have a lot of time in the morning to get things done. So what I like to do sometimes for work is I bring stuff with me and then I figure I can prepare it there. If you have a fridge or a cooler, there's really no excuse. You can put an ice pack in a cooler, people. Okay, so I brought orange pepper, a yellow pepper, some cucumber. I had some snow peas and I had toasted my mamalupa. Now, if you toast a bunch of them, this is a tortilla wrap. It's one smart point. You can use whatever ones you want or have, okay? What I like to do is, the reason why I like to toast it is it takes longer to eat. That's my thing. I like things that take a while to eat and that, it's not in 2 seconds and you've eaten already. And another thing I do is I bring like a package. So then this way I have the same thing for a few days. I mean, I'm not going to eat all of this today, right? Well, some people might. I mean, it would be great if you had it and then you could nibble on your veggies or your turkey meat. I actually had some other meat from yesterday and I was really hungry, and some protein is an amazing way to keep you satisfied and full for a longer amount of time. So an hour ago I had some and it's kept me going until now. I have some tomatoes and I brought some strawberries. Okay, so I was a little bit organized, but not that much. I keep some dressing with me as well. This is Opa. What I like about it is for 1 tablespoon, it's 0 smart points. For 2 tablespoons, it's 1 smart point. And of course, I keep a lot of water at work. So the thing is that you could make cucumber sandwiches. I usually like to, I'm gonna move this. And I like to cut my cucumber on a slant. Not only does it look fancy, you get a longer piece, and I'm going to show you what I like to do. I mean, I love it on my mamalupa, but sometimes you want a little bit extra meat, or you don't feel like having any bread. So you're just going to take your meat. Usually I have mustard here, but I couldn't find it. I'm just being honest. But I have all kinds of other dressings that I keep in the fridge. And I like to just make a cucumber sandwich like that. I know, easy. Or you could take your vegetables, well, that is a vegetable, your peppers. Don't eat the seeds. And you can make it into a boat, and you can also do the same thing and just put it in, voila, put a little bit of mustard, some dressing in it, and eat it like that. Or you can just eat it on this, however you like. So if you use mustard, just a little bit, you don't have to count that either. I know. If you like some cheese, you can add cheese, but make sure, like you see, I have a good protein, a low carb, lots and lots of veggies. Your plate should have at least half the amount on your plate of vegetables, okay? And then I'm going to have my juicy strawberries for afterwards. I also have a yogurt, but I didn't bring it in this room right now. And I keep little snacks at work as well, okay? Those little Weight Watchers snacks, some seeds. I can't have nuts here because I'm in a school zone, so no nuts. I keep my cereal here, my K cereal. I love that. And fruit. I have a lot of fruit. I keep extra pears and apples and bananas so that, when you feel the urge to have something, you have it. I keep a protein bar with me as well. So make sure that you are somewhat prepared. Today I wasn't overly prepared, but I just wanted to show you that this is another tip from Risa. I hope this helps you too. And that's what's for lunch. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe and come visit me on my Facebook page. All right. Weight Watcher Tips and Recipes by Risa. Bye, guys.